Okay, welcome and to the cooking video again. And today I want to make fried rice for breakfast. So here I have prepared what we need what we need to cook fried rice. Need a rice. Yeah, you should need rice for making fried rice. Then garlic, and then I'll use shallots. Here I have shallots, the green onions. I'll use green onions here. Okay, maybe there are some of them have dried. I'll use not dried one. Okay, I will wash it first. Wait here. Okay, and then an egg. Okay, let's first what we need is to cut the garlics and the shallot first. I'll use maybe three garlics. We first cut it, the bottom, and then peel the skin, the garlic skin. You must peel it first before you cut it, or you can smash it first like this. Let's make the flavor comes out from the garlics, and you can remove the skin easily when you smash it first. Look like that. Okay, let's cut it into small piece. Make sure you cut it very small piece like this. Okay, for today, fried rice, I won't make it with soy sauce. I want to make a golden fried rice. So the rice will mix with the egg first before you fry it. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I have chicken. Okay, and here I have chicken from yesterday. I don't know if it is still good or not, but don't worry, we'll fry it. So if it doesn't good, it still can, taste of the fried rice still can back up the taste. Okay, the next one is the shallots. Let's cut the shallots into pieces. For that, we have to peel the skin first, remove the skin. Oh yeah, and be careful, don't too much smell the shallot smells, because it will make you cry. That disclaimer. Okay, let's cut it the head like this. I think this one is not good enough. I'll take another one that's still good. Maybe it is still good. Let's cut it. Oh, it's a bit hard though. Skin is hard. Let's cut it the back first. Make it more easy to peel. I will use 5 of shallots. Okay, let's cut it into a piece like this. Maybe I will zoom in the camera. Okay, like that. Another one. Cut it like this. Okay, there we go. The shallots is all cut, and maybe we can move the skin. That's still the shallot that still contains skin, like this one. Okay, it's enough. So the next, the green onion, and let's chop the green one. I don't care if it's dry or not, just cut it immediately like this. And the white is good, it's crispy. Let's cut it until the end, until this one, until the root. Okay, and the root we will throw it to the trash. Okay, we just finished the cutting session, and let's continue to the mixing session.